The pros and cons of acrylic furniture. Is it right for you? Dear friends, acrylic furniture has recently become popular because of its sleek and modern look. There are pros and cons to acrylic furniture, just like any other. You'll learn the pros and cons of acrylic furniture in this video so you can decide if it's right for you. Pros of acrylic furniture. 1. Aesthetics. Acrylic furniture has the advantage of looking contemporary and stylish. Its translucent, transparent appearance adds a touch of sophistication and elegance to any office setting. From minimalist to modern, acrylic furniture can complement a variety of interior design styles, creating a sense of space and openness. 2. Versatility. The acrylic can be molded to any shape you want, so you can make desks, chairs, tables, shelves, and even accessories like pen holders and paperweights. You can make desks, chairs, tables, shelves, and even accessories from acrylic. It's flexible enough to be suited both for small and big offices since it adapts to different layouts and configurations. 3. Durability. Furniture made of acrylic is known for its durability and resilience. Acrylic is a strong, durable material. Unlike glass, acrylic is shatterproof, so it's a safe option for busy environments. It's also waterproof, fading, and discolored, so it stays looking good for a while. 4. Easy maintenance. It's easy to clean acrylic with a soft cloth and mild soap or a specialized acrylic cleaner. In contrast to wood or metal, acrylic doesn't need to be polished or treated in any way. It's also scratch-resistant and stain-resistant, so it's perfect for places that get a lot of traffic or where food is consumed. 5. Light transmission. This transparency makes smaller rooms more spacious and airier. Acrylic furniture lets light pass through, creating a visually appealing effect. With proper lighting, acrylic furniture can make the workspace brighter, creating a positive and energizing work environment as well. Cons of acrylic furniture. 1. Prone to scratches. Although acrylic is durable, it scratches more easily than wood or metal. Keep your furniture scratch-free by avoiding abrasive cleaners or rough materials. On clear acrylic furniture, scratches are harder to see, but on frosted or textured finishes, they're much less visible. 2. Susceptible to fingerprints and smudges. A lot of acrylic surfaces show fingerprints, smudges, and dust. Cleaning them regularly is necessary to keep them looking nice. However, you can minimize fingerprints and smudges with proper cleaning techniques and acrylic cleaners. 3. Limited color options. Acrylic furniture is available in a bunch of colors, but it's limited in terms of options. You might have trouble finding acrylic furniture that matches your house's color scheme or branding guidelines if you have a specific color scheme or branding guidelines. 4. Weight and stability. Furniture made out of acrylic can be a lot lighter, especially compared to furniture made from wood or metal. While that's good when you move it around, it can also affect its stability. 5. Price. There is a difference in price between acrylic furniture and furniture made from wood or plastic. Prices of acrylic furniture can vary depending on their thickness, quality, and design complexity. If budget is a concern, acrylic furniture may not be the cheapest option. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.